Chapter 10. Phrasal Verbs. A phrasal verb is a verb that is made up of the main verb together with an adverb or preposition or both. It has a meaning which is different from that of the original verb. The meeting broke up when the police arrived. We called off the picnic as it was raining. Phrasal verbs can be transitive or intransitive. If the phrasal verb has an object, it is a transitive phrasal verb. The police were called to break up the fight. When the door is opened, it sets off an alarm. If the phrasal verb does not have an object, it is an intransitive phrasal verb. Rajat's car broke down. The house was pulled down. There are two kinds of transitive phrasal verbs, separable and inseparable. Separable, inseparable. In separable phrasal verbs, the object can be placed between the verbs and the adverb or preposition. Inseparable. In inseparable phrasal verbs, the object is placed only after the adverb or preposition. Separable. She switched off the light, or she switched the light off. Inseparable. They broke into the room by force. Not, they broke the room into by force. Separable. He paid back the debt, or he paid the debt back. Inseparable. She broke into tears. Not, she broke tears into. Study carefully the list of some common phrasal verbs given below. Ask around. Ask many people the same thing. I asked around, but nobody has seen my wallet. Add up to, equal. Your purchases add up to 2,500 only. Blow up. Explode. The racing car blew up after it crashed into the lamppost. Break down. Stop functioning. Vehicle. Machine. Our car broke down at the side of the road. Bring someone up. Raise a child. My grandparents brought me up after my parents. Call something off. Cancel. The meeting was called off because the manager was late. Calm down. Relax after being angry. You need to calm down before you drive the car. Cheer up. Become happier. She cheered up when she heard the good news. Cut down on. Reduce. You must cut down on oily foods. Chip in. Help. If everyone chips in, we can finish this project soon. Come across something. Find unexpectedly. I came across a box of old photographs. Come forward. Volunteer for a task. The boys came forward to help the poor man. Do away with something. Discard. It's time to do away with all of these old clothes. Drop out. Quit a class, school, etc. I dropped out of science because it was too difficult. Fall apart. Break into pieces. The box fell apart when I tried to lift it. Figure something out. Understand. I need to figure out how to solve this problem. Find out. Discover. How can we find out where the man is? Give something up. Quit a habit. I am going to give up eating oily food. Go ahead. Start. Proceed. Please go ahead with your plans to build the house. Hand something over. Give. The police asked the man to hand over his weapons. Hold on. Wait a short time. Please hold on while I transfer your call.